5A, Villarias Kenneth. In 5B, Kyle Rodney. 19A, Morales J. And 19B, Camos Jethro. Jericho. And 49B, Montemayor Emmanuel Dave. Oh, and 269B, King Philip Bacalia. This is for the 100-kilometer open elite men.
Masidla kong adlaw Danau City ani ata.
So nana si 1A, nana si 2A, 2B, 3B, 3A. We're missing 4A and 4B, 5B and 5A, 19A and 19B, 49A and 49B, 269A and 269B.
Palayo tagamay.
Please come forward.
So masidla kong adlaw Danau City. Today, sayo kay sa kabuntagan.
All right. For the open
Is,
elite mixed.
Our first ever Danau City Grind Fest 100. So diyan na gyud mga Danawanos magsugod na karon. We are doing live. So to everybody who's watching, to everyone who's watching, we are here. Diri sa Plaza Manong Amon. And nadri atong art start line for our Danau City Grind Fest 100. So mag-start ang gun start for the 100 kilometer at 5 a.m.
13B Cañete.
So karon nag-roll call na mga Danawanons for all the bikers, the team for 100 kilometer.
And 18B Candazo Reynold. Please proceed to the art start area.
So nag-start na roll call sa tanang mga bikers for the 100 kilometer.
100 kilometer open elite women. 15 rider 15A Prado Edgy.
Gun start
15B
at 5
Iwayan
a.m.
Origa Don. 16A Guetaruelas Lovely. 16B Guetaruelas Leslie. 17A Cendrijas Adelpia.
Alita sa mga
And
bikers.
17B Cortez Diana Marie.
Hi, we're live. Hi sir, we're live. Good morning.
100 kilometer 19 to 34.
They're getting ready.
Rider number 51A Hinampas Ranier. 51B Pantoja Ace.
So nagsugod na itong mga
52 Lapot
bikers.
Ivan
Gear up.
Gregory.
Hello, we're live.
52B Duque Richel or Riquel
We're live,
Joseph.
sir. And we're
53A
live.
Watin Kenneth. 53B Zabate Joris Mark.
Everybody's getting ready.
54A Kinyain Idrit. 54B Kinyain Kael. 55A Vince Ian. 55B Pilapil Mitchell. 50A Paras Edgar Marie. 50B
Halika diri dapit sa layo.
Roldan. And
So makita ninyo itong mga
270A,
bikers, they're getting ready, they're gearing up. Ang mga Danawanons for the first ever Danau City Grind Fest 100 diri sa atong Dakbayan. So thank you so much for to the city government of Danau City for organizing this event.
100 kilometer 35 to 49 riders.
Kung sa may occasion.
56A
Yes.
Espinosa Ramonito. 56B
Today is our first ever Danau City Grind Fest 100 mga Danawanons. So ari diri, naata diri sa Plaza Amon, ari diri ang gun start. This is the starting line. So kani sila ato na sila mag-traverse sa mga mountains and trails diri sa atong Dakbayan. So makitaan gyud nila mga line-line ilang maagian atong mga line-line nga mga mountains and trails diri sa Danau City, diri sa Danau.
61B De La Cruz Rafi.
Gikan pa ni sila sa mga nagkalain-laing lugar. Ang uban diri mga taga Danau, uban mga taga lagyong lugar. They came here just to participate for this event. And this is a historical event, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? This is the very first Danau City Grind Fest.
65A, Minyosa
Nga,
Cirilo
nahitabo
Jr.
diri sa atong
65B,
lugar.
Hisuan Michael John.
So,
66A,
all,
Lawas Lloyd Joseph. 66B, Texon Orville. 67A.
Everybody's gearing up.
Espinosa
Everybody's getting
Ramonigo.
ready. Ato silang doolon.
And 67B, Labora
Wait,
Jubilin.
asa mata mo, Agi?
68, Montemayor Jose
Alita, dali.
Benji. And 68B, Velasco Luke. Our 100 kilometer, 50 and above. Race or rider number 69A, Aguilar Bilberg. 69B, Apor Emanuelito.
Hi guys, we're live sa
70A,
Danao City.
Pipino Arnel. 70B,
So, as you can see,
Hinaya
guys,
Suruel.
ready na kaya itong mga
71A, Histopa Peter.
Mga bikers.
71B, Marzon
Hello,
Christopher.
we're live sa Danao
72A, Valia June. 72B, Pascual Junior
Sayo kini sila
Roldan.
ng bangon.
73A,
Hello, we're live.
Gayakan
Danao City.
Jomar. 73B, Ongada
Ah,
Rolly.
hello,
74A,
we're live.
Cuyos Joel. 74B, Sasig Cesario.
Yeah, they're
76A, Dayday Joselilo. 76B,
Ready na gyud kay sila, guys. At 5 a.m., 5 a.m. the gun start, ari diri. So, nata diri dapit sa Plaza Amon. Ari diri magsugod.
78A, Ilorde Marcos and Villarde Edgar Ferdinand
I'm not sure
Ryder
if you guys
B.
can hear me,
And that
but
concludes our
I hope you
100
do.
kilometer
Hi,
category from different age levels.
So, hosting and probably one of the commissaires good is DJ Ace. Sir Ace Roble. So, following the success of the first ever Danao City International Ultra Trail last January, guys, karon na pod
All right, 100 kilometers. Riders, are you ready?
Yes, they're ready. They're getting ready na, guys, for the gun start at 5 a.m. Exactly at 5 a.m. As you can see, we have like 19 minutes
Way suga.
left.
So,
For the
ladies and
gun start.
gentlemen, Danao City, here are your 100
Oh, wait.
kilometers
9
riders
minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
for the first Danao City
Before the gun
Grind
start.
Fest 100.
So that's Sir Ace or DJ Ace. Our host for this early morning. Hello, we're live, guys. Good luck ninyo tanan. So, following the success of the first ever Danao City International Ultra Trail last January, guys, right now is the first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100.
All right, for multiple appeals from our 100 kilometer racers, we are just going
Gawas
to
na tagay
have
hapit na magsugod.
at least a single light on the sky. Una ubuhian. Okay lang po ba yun sa inyo? Kasi hindi po natin ni-require yung mga flashlight at lightings sa inyong mga bikes, no? So if you guys are okay, please raise your hands. We will just wait, no, for a single light to come out from the sky and then we will release your category. Okay lang po ba sa inyo, mga sir? Alright, power. Okay, meron po tayong ilang minuto lamang. So, pag meron na po talagang light sa sky, para naman hindi po kayo mahirapan. No? So, noted
Tagalog
po
si Sir
and
Ace
accepted the appeal.
A lot of
no problem
our
po.
riders or bikers are from the different parts of the country, probably the world.
72A,
mga naay mga-
Valle
na-
June.
naing naso diri.
72A, Valle June, you are, hinahanap ka ng inyong kabiyak. Hinahanap po kayo ng inyong partner. Sir Valle June, 72, Rider A.
So we have 8 minutes left before the gun start. So hapit na jud kayo mga Danawanons. This is the gun start for the 100 kilometer. So grabe exciting tayo nino kay our scenic barangay roads are waiting jud kayo. For all the bikers. And you know mga Danawanos, this adventure is one for the books. Because this is a historical event. Kay mo ni ang pinakauna na Danao City Grind Fest 100. two-person team adventure sports tourism bike race. Diri sa atong Dakbayan. So this is a really huge
Once
event.
again, para po sa mga bago lang naabot no, sa ato ang race area. Good morning po, Danawanos, and good morning, riders. We are live here at the beautiful Manongamon Park here at Danao City, Cebu, Philippines. We are now conducting the first Danao City Grind Fest 100. No? Buena mano para sa ato ang pasulod or paabot na kapistahan diri sa Danao City. So the Grind Fest 100 is the first ever Grind Fest 100 participated by Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao all together here this morning. And we are now assembling our 100-kilometer riders. We're just waiting for a single light to come up or illuminate the sky, no? Para po hindi sila mahirapan on their way and finding our signs. And of course, so 100 kilometers, ladies and gentlemen, no? They will be going through barangay roads all across the middle of Danao City, all over Danao City. Kaya po sila ang uunahin natin na bibitawan para lang sa mga Tagalog na naabot na ato ang bisita karon, no? Na bibitawan po natin ngayon sa ating start arc here at the 101st Danao City Grind Fest 100. The 100-kilometer category is mixed of elites. We have different age levels, and of course, mga national teams also who's participating and taking the challenge for the first Danao City Grind Fest 100. Kamay-kamay po sa ating PIO para po di halata na, no, kabado. Alright? Shout out pala sa ating PIO team and of course, ay, Mami Dana, the HR team. Ayan po. Full force po yung ating Danao City government in total support for the first Danao City Grind Fest 100.
Yes.
Para po sa mga hindi pa nakakuha ng plakas, specifically yung ating 60-kilometer race, we are located here po in front of Manong Amon statue beside the start arc. Alright.
Exciting na kayo, guys. So here are our bikers gearing up for the first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100. Ready na jud kayo. Mura magwala ni sila gikulbaan.
Okay. So mamaya-maya
Feel
mga
na kayo
sir.
na ako ang ilahan.
As per our race director, ito
Game
pong flag
face
na to,
on na kayo sila.
ito po yung titingnan lang ninyo. Pag ginaganon-ganon nila, that is warning na, no? Ready na. And then flag down, gaganon. Meaning, diretso na. Okay? Alam niyo naman to. Ilang race na yata ninyo to. Basta lang may masabi lang kami. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Sa ibang ating mga balita ko, they slept, no? They slept 9. May nakausap ako kaninang umaga, 9 o'clock ng gabi. At bumangon ng 2 a.m. Ano? Okay na daw ang 5 hours for the 100 kilometer. Charged down, full bat na raw ang kanilang body. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we are brought to us. This event is brought to us by Fitbar. Danao City Sports Commission, Boss Max 3, Dito Telecommunity, NC Tiger Driving School,
Fitbar, one of our
Republic
collaborations.
Dry Dock Corporation,
One of our sponsors.
Pocari
Thank you
Sweat,
so much.
Remo License Sounds,
Ogupan
Danao
pa.
City Government, Danao Here and Now, Phil Cycling Integrated Cycling Federation of the Philippines, Salt and Fin, Ramon Nito Durano Foundation Incorporated, Black Mamba, KGL Hardware Trading, Mogu Mogu. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to all our sponsors nga nakig-collaborate for this event. Moto sila ang mga shout out kanina sa atong host, si Sir Ace.
Medyo wala pang ilaw, no?
So our bikers are gearing up, guys, and they're ready. Time check, it's almost 5 a.m. but naghuwat pa nga naay bisag gamay nga suga kay ngit-ngit pa kaayo before the gun start, so that our bikers
Photo up po ng content
can
for
see
our
signs, the signs on the road. So we're live.
Office. Hey, we're live via Danao City Government this morning. Good morning, Danawanos. Good morning, riders. Welcome to the first Danao City Grind Fest 100.
So 1 minute and 30 seconds more before the gun start, but we are still waiting for some light to illuminate, guys, so that our bikers will not have a really a difficult time seeing the signs on the road. So wato na to gamay nga muhayag-hayag siya. Just a little light to illuminate para dili kayong it for our bikers. As you can see, assembled na sila here sa atong arc.
Yung ating 100-kilometer race, our cutoff is 10 hours for this race, no? And of course, our 60 kilometers and 70 kilometers is 6 hours. No? They have to be inside the 10-hour window for our 100-kilometer category.
Okay, we're having a photo opportunity with some of our government officials here in Danao. So, photo op usa ta here sa gun start na ni diri sa Plaza Manungamon. So if you are watching this and are planning to probably visit Danao City, ang kanidiri nga road is being barricaded, so block ni siya diri, dili pa ni magian, guys, diri dapit sa Plaza Amon, because ari diri ang ato ang gun start.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so this is a very exciting event to everyone who's watching and supporting their bikers. So good luck to all the bikers for the joining the first ever Danao City
We
Grind
still
Fest
have
100.
plates to be received, no? O sa ating mga racers dyan, specifically the 60 kilometers, please approach us here in our booth para busayin yung mga race plates. And your timing na din po yan, di ba? Okay.
It's already 5 a.m. So supposedly, guys, gun start na for the 100 kilometer. But we are still waiting for some light to illuminate. Tingit-ngit pa kaayo. So maglisa doon yaw tanaw atong mga bikers sa mga road signs.
Once again po, we would like to request yung nasa ating start line right now is 100 kilometers pa po. Wala po dapat na mag-start na 60 kilometers. Baka lang mayroon, no? Oh. Malalaman natin yan. Kawawa kayo. Kasi mag-a-activate yung inyong start.
So everybody's ready na gid kaayo diri. So gidool na to sila ganina. I'm not sure pwede pa ba ta madool nila. Actually, it's supposed to be the gun start na. It's already 5 a.m. But let's them dool sa tanilag balik. Hi guys, are you ready na? Good luck ninyo tanan. We're live. Say hi. Okay, so here they are. So ready. Ready na katong bikers to traverse our scenic Boracay roads.
According to our app, is the sunrise is 5:34. Opo.
Oh, okay.
Rolling pa naman, no? Okay, so papasukin na natin ng ating 60 km. Okay. Alright, as per our race organizers, we'll be deploying 160. 60 will be magko-connect po sa 100 na nasa unahan. So, Bike check muna tayo, 60 kilometers. Please proceed. In front po ng ating starting line for bike check. Once again, 60 km, please proceed to our, in our, no, front gate
So while waiting,
facing
doon
our
na itong
starting
mga
line
naadiri,
for bike checking.
ng mga supporters.
Once again, to our riders,
Everybody's ready.
60
Hi sir, we're live.
kilometers. Please proceed
Good morning.
to the front for our bike check.
So, hello, good morning. So as announced, the 60 kilometer will be following the 100 kilometer. As soon as the 100 kilometer will
Once again,
follow the 60 kilometer.
5:34 is our sunrise. So after that,
Okay.
our organizers think it's best for everybody to be deployed.
So supposedly separate na sila mag-start ang 60 kilometer o 100 kilometer, but due to time constraints,
Bike check, proceed
na lang
tayo
sila.
for bike check, 60 km. And then punta po tayo sa likod ng ating 100 km. Can we have somebody po to go there as the line for 60 km? Salamat. Dito sa Atubangan. Arito sa Atubangan, dito po sa harapan, 60 kilometers. We are now starting our bike check for 60 kilometers. All categories.
alright. Madol tagbalik ari na sa diri. Hello, we're live. Good morning. Good morning, we're live. Good luck. So, ready na yung kayo mga
So
bikers.
60 kilometers and then 70 kilometers at the pinaka huli. You know? Okay.
So guys,
Sunrise is expected at 5:34. 100 kilometer racers. Get ready. 60 kilometers. Please check in. And proceed. And connect, no? Sa ating 100 kilometer pack.
so as announced, we cannot start at exactly 5 a.m. because it's still very dark. So it's gonna be difficult for all the
Good luck.
bikers
60 kilometers once again.
to see road signs.
Baka nakapanay sa McDo. Kung makadugog mo aning pagsimbya, ano na yung taon mo? Bike check is now commencing for 60 kilometers. Sa atong bike check, nasa Atubangan, no? Natin mga marshals dito mag-check sa inyo.
We're
mga
live.
stickers at
Hello.
plaka.
Good morning.
As properly placed po.
Good luck.
Thank you very much and God bless.
So these are the bikers
Once
for the
again,
100
we are
kilometer
actually, meron na
and
tayong
for
konting
the
light sa
60
sky.
kilometer.
Nako! Para to take care of our 100 kilometer riders. Ayan po. Hinihintay natin ang limelight or ang light or sunlight, no, to appear para po di sila gabihin or para di sila ma-ligsdan sa pagpangita sa mga signs and of course sa tracks.
Doon din nato itong mga sponsors or partners. Our partners for this event. So we have Pocari Sweat. Hello sir, good morning. We're live. So na po diri mga supporters. Na may mga bikers sir, nagisuportahan. Mga taga na
God bless, God bless po. God bless.
So one of our partners is Pocari Sweat. And then we have Fit Bar. Fit Bar. It's one of our partners, Fit Bar, and we have Black Mamba.
We'd also like to acknowledge that the
we
Philippine
have more.
national team also. They're also participating no, sa mga mixed categories and of course from different parts of the Philippines. Meron po tayong participants from Manila, Quezon City, Meron din po tayo from Bayawan, Leyte, Negros. We also have from Bohol. And we also have from different parts of the Cebu province, Taboylan, Tuburan, Mualboal. Here gathered today in this momentous activity, the first Danao City Grindfest 100. It's a two-person team. No? Sa para
Hello,
sa
Miss
atong mga
Mitch.
Danawanons na naadili karon
Hi,
na
Miss
mananawaning maong lumba. Kining maong lumba mga kaigsuunan, naatay duha ka partisipante na
Miss
sila
Mitch,
lagi
imo jud kung
pwedeng
gikuan diri, ha?
magtinabangay all throughout the route. Kung 100 kilometers,
Shout out,
walay
guys,
dapat
sa mga
mutabang
head
sa
sa
ilaha,
PIO,
kundi
Miss
sila
Mitch.
lang. No?
Who's watching?
Na ang ato ang mga external
Mitch,
teams,
Ali.
mga team managers, ang ato ang mga support teams will be located in a very strategical way sa mga stations nato, no, around our routes. Now, once nato din mga marshals deployed as early as kaninang alauna sa mga inter-barangays nato. Salamat po sa atong mga barangay captains who's very, very supportive. They're already in the tracks, they're already in the trail na magmasid o magtanaw, no, para sa seguridad o sa safety sa atong mga riders. Of course, Danawanon riders, daghan pagkaayo pod na nakakaroon. Alright. (217) Dorado Arnel Dave and Perez Glenn, 217A and 217B. You are needed at Phil Cycling area. Kindly come at our booth.
Sorry,
Once
our
again,
bikers, guys, are gearing up.
217A,
Ready
217B, Dorado Arnel
for
Dave
our
and
first
Perez
ever
Glenn. You are
Danao
needed
City
here
Grind
at the
Fest.
Phil Cycling area. Thank you so much.
Dolong daw nato sila. While waiting, medyo ngit-ngit pa man. Maybe we can ask some of them some questions. Hello sir, good morning. So at
217A and
Asa ka, sir?
217B, Dorano Arnel Dave and Perez Glenn.
taga Danao. Okay. So may mga preparations ngayon mong gibuhat for this event. Classic. Okay. Sayo kayo mo din no because 5 a.m. manggod hanggang start. So guys, sayo kayo itong mga bikers here sa ARC. So sir, good luck. Maybe you want to, greet some of your friends very live here in Danao City Government page. We have lots of
258A
photographers
and
na nag-picture
258B
ninyo.
Adlawan, Ronnie and Lambo Arturo, Husay Charlon Mens. Again, anong pangalan pa? Support.
So, our riders, our bikers are getting ready.
and 258B.
Waiting for the gun start.
258B. Please proceed here to Fix Cycling
So
area.
the gun start
Thank you.
will start once we have some light already illuminating up in the sky.
15 minutes more, 19 minutes more before sunrise.
Alright.
Ato nang i-acknowledge itong 60-kilometer riders.
What is
60 kilometers, 17 to 18. Rider 201, A and B, Lebrilla Jared and Jordan Jaiko. Rider 202, A and B, Sarido Arnold and Kapuyan Kenji. 203, A and B, Buok Mark John and Tabata Jake. 204, A and B, Colongan, Alambert and
Hello
Monterola
sir,
John
good morning, we're
Rafael.
live.
205, A and B,
Good luck ninyo, sir.
Maglasa
Good luck.
Marie Philip and Iko Trinan
From where
James.
man ka sir?
206,
From where?
A and B, Basalan,
Polo.
Sumiso,
So you just
De
came all the way here
Clyde.
for this event.
200
what are your
A and
preparations
B,
man nga
Tito
gibuhat?
Carl Lawrence
What
and
were your
Maglasang Bar
preparations for
Groday.
this?
198 A and B, Soto
Taon
Joseph
lang.
Benedict and
Of course,
Vigilio
para sa-
Yael.
Para tama yung lakas. Alright. We already have
16
here our
kilometers,
16
19 to
kilometer
34,
bikers.
207 A and B,
Getting
Marco
ready.
John Owens, Silao, Miko. 208 A
Sir,
and
we're
B,
live.
Impas, Lindon and Montesilio, Daniel James. 209 A and B.
Everybody's getting
Pino
ready
Daniel
and it's almost
Merino
gun
Ivan.
start kay hayag-hayag na.
210 A and B. Dapisay Zane.
Hi, sir.
Martinez, Lyle
Where are you from, sir?
211 A and B.
Mandaue. Alright. Good luck.
212 A and B. Nagatan John
Everybody's
Paul
ready.
and
Hi, sir.
Pumala Gabriel.
We're live.
213 A
Where are
and
you
B.
from, sir?
Arias Lee Brian.
Dan Bantayan.
Marcia Mark. 214
Partner,
Carbaba,
good luck,
John
sir. Good
Nell
luck.
and Carbonero
Where are you from?
Roy.
Where are you from?
215 A and B. Paris.
Italy.
Elmer
Oh.
Gerard and
Good luck.
Papi Kim. 216 AB. Gian
Any
Jimmy and
preparations
Hassan
that you did for this
109
event?
AB. Roman Joy and
Of course you
Oswald.
did.
Oswald Patrick Wilson. 60 kilometers, 50 and above.
Is it your first time here in Danao City?
225 Gomez Alejandrito.
Here, it's your first time
Popular
here.
Homer.
Oh, welcome to Danao City, sir.
252
Welcome to Danao City.
253 Cruz Tuhan
Enjoy.
Dexter and Oliverio Jezreel. 254 Amores Ernesto. and
Everybody's getting
Samad
ready.
Renato. 255 Turano Ramon.
It's almost sunrise, and once it's sunrise, the gun start will happen. So to everybody who's watching, not sure you can hear me. I hope you do. You can hear me. So we are here sa Plaza Amon, nadiri atong ARC for the first ever Danao City Grind Fest. This is following the success of the first ever Danao City International Ultra Trail last January.
263 Morillo Alberto and Avila Nenilito. 264 Opura Edwin and Ponce Teddy.
Okay, thank you, Miss Mitch.
265 Molina Yohan and Rodney Erwin. 266 Buhawi Jr. Herodito and Matiasina Alberto. 267 Lamayo Arturo and Filosofo Nelson. 60 kilometers all women. 268 is Ghana January Nina and Arbasa APK.
You have 12 minutes more before the gun start. So this is a very exciting event and a historical one here in Danao. To everybody who's watching, because this is the first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100. So
218 Cañas Danilo and Estopa Gracio. 209
and aside from that, the riders, they're going to see our scenic barangay roads here in Danao because they will be traversing the mountains and trails here in Danao City. Mga nindot kind of mga view. Also, they have a chance to bring home up to 50,000 pesos in prizes. I'm sure, and I'm really sure that this is going to be a very unforgettable event. One of the unforgettable events that we will have here in Danao City.
230 Gadapan Irwin and Donald Dexter. 231 Manulat Ronnie and Akain Javier.
So currently, they're doing a roll call for all the bikers. 100 kilometer, 70 kilometer e-bike, and 60 kilometer. Because we will start, we have 11 minutes more before the gun start.
Joseph Philip and Catboy Robert Paul. 237
Ari na punta din ni David.
Navasa Roberto Jr.
So some are doing warm up. Warm up na sila, guys. Getting ready.
240 Alverio Nino James and Hermosillo Elvin. 241 Manulat Junar and Adela Jun. 242 Hernandez Joel and Lungakit Joel. 243 Cabo Cabo Archie and Valdenor Emma. 244 Leposada Marvin and Regis Julius. 245 Coino Leonardo III and Rodina 7. 246 Ramoneda Jezreel Clarabal Elmo. 247 Carla Julius and Cabugwason Hernani Jr. 248 Perez Jesse and Almodin Godard. 249 Gratones Reggie and Cabigas Christian.
Hello, good morning to everybody who's
250,
watching.
Gala Ernesto and Ingala Ruby. 251 Rakuya Rico and Rakuya Rolando. That completes our 60-kilometer bikers, mga kaigsunan. And of course, we are now acknowledging our 70-kilometer category riders. 70 kilometers e-bike riders, 101 Rodriguez Oscar Jr. and Pasaol Roland. Rider 102, Yu Elohio Jr. and Manulat Leo. All right.
Hello,
Time
good morning,
check.
Sir
It is
Jake
now
Jake.
exactly 5:21 in our time. We have 9 minutes before we
9
set off
minutes
100
more.
kilometers.
almost time, guys.
Are you ready, riders? Are you ready? 9 minutes more before we
9
start
minutes more.
the 100-kilometer race for the first Danao City Grind Fest 100. Once again, 9 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen. We will now set off our 100-kilometer riders.
Yes. So this sporting event is organized by the city government of Danao, of course. So thank you so much to the city government of Danao for organizing the first ever Danao City Grind Fest. This is, one of Danao's effort in emphasizing the city's commitment to promoting sports tourism. Of course, Danao being one of the biking capital of Cebu.
Once again, our 60-kilometer riders, if you are around our vicinity or starting area,
So to everybody who's
We will
watching,
not-
join us.
No, wait.
This is a big
No.
day for an adventure.
a longer time. So kung if you are already here, please assemble and have your bike checked. And then assemble po. You are next after the 100-kilometer racers.
Of course, very important ang bike check to make sure that their bikes are ready. Aside sa mga bikers, their bikes should be ready as well. So to everybody who's watching, join us here for a day of adventure. Our very first Danao City Grind Fest 100. That's Brian.
And I know that you still wanna sing it. On the Sunday morning music that loud. Let me love you while the moon is still out.
Hapit na yung kayo, 7 minutes more and the gun start will take off. So the 100-kilometer, 70-kilometer, and 60-kilometer riders, bikers are ready.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibility. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me.
Our scenic barangay roads are waiting for all our bikers. So from here, maato na sila sa mga different mountains and trails here in Danao with a really beautiful views na makita nila.
I just wanna feel your skin on mine. Feel your eyes do the exploring. Passion in the
So this adventure is really one for the books, mga Danawanons, because this is the first ever Danao City Grind Fest. So this is making history right now.
Last 6 minutes before we could start 100 kilometers. Racers.
So just so you know, all the riders and all the organizers have been here since last night pa. Some of them even slept here na, but just so you know, the city government of Danao offered free accommodation at our fully air-conditioned evacuations and training center to make sure that the bikers have a place to rest before this, big race. So some of the bikers have been given, have been offered, all of them have been offered a place to stay. Because, very early kayo ang call time here sa ato ang race. Yes, time to grind. Hapit na guys. 5 minutes more. And the gun will take off. Everybody's getting ready. They have been ready since they came here. A lot of our bikers are Danawanons, but a lot of them also are from different parts of our country or the world. As nakita niyo ganina, we even have someone from the Italy, a rider or a biker from Italy. So they came all the way here for this big event. Nag-organize sa atong City Government of Danao.
We'd like to request all the riders, 100, 60, and 70, please.
Hi,
go
sir.
inside the starting line.
Good luck, good luck.
Those riders at the
Alive.
back, assemble, please.
Okay. We may have some interruptions due to the internet connection.
All right, timers ready. It's now 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. Timers
Alright.
ready. Riders ready.
Almost
100
time.
kilometers.
Time.
Can we hear
Good luck,
you
good luck.
shout?
Yay!
Come on, louder! 60 kilometers, racers. Can we hear you shout?
Yay!
Agay! Usa pa! 60 kilometers, let's say hoorah! 60 kilometers once again, hoorah! 100 kilometers, say hoorah! 70 kilometers, say hoorah! Alright, di mo sumpa, no? Patrato ka buok dito ba? Mas gusto ko si 90. Okay, focus na po yung ating mga riders. Timers! Ready na po tayo? Thank you very much, Phil Cycling. And of course, 100-kilometer racers, good luck po. Again, safe ride lang tayo. Don't be aggressive. Safety as always. Our responsibility, no, is to get you off the starting line safe and again finish safe this afternoon. We'll see you in 10 hours. Oh, mga tug sa migbalik. Manya, pagbalik na mo, mata, naabot na mo. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Alright.
Wala na dapat riders outside the starting line.
Almost time, 2 minutes more before the gun start. Good luck to all the riders.
Once again, if you're hearing this, you must be
Good luck to all the
inside if you
bikers.
are competing for the 100 kilometers, 60 kilometers, and 70 kilometers. Once again, mass deployed po tayo, 100 km, 60 km, and 70 kilometers. 1 minute and 44 seconds left. Danawanons, come on, let's cheer for our riders. Woo-hoo!
Yay!
Let's go!
As you can hear, it's going to be a mass deploy for all the categories. Luman sila tanan. Already sunrise. And we have
We'll
1
be
minute
waiting
more.
for you
1 minute and
guys
80
here
seconds.
at the boardwalk this afternoon, and we will party and celebrate your triumph of completing the first Danao City Grindfest 100. Last
1 minute more.
1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Here we go!
Ready?
Here we go!
Ready?
Let's
Nagkakayo.
go!
We have few seconds left before the gun start. Good luck to all the bikers.
Last 30 seconds!
Sunrise is up in the sky, reveals the beauty.
Here we go! Race Master is now in front. 15 seconds. Everybody! 10,
Countdown.
9, 8,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Go, go, go! 100 kilometers, 60 kilometers, and 70 kilometers. Let's go, team! Yep. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, our riders for the first Danao City Grindfest 100. Taking on the 100 kilometer, 60 kilometers, 70 kilometer race. God bless and safe race for everybody. Go, go, go! God bless po! Ride safe! Ladies and gents! Off they go now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first Danao City Grind Fest 100. Safe ways! Go, 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 go!
Sila more. Right.
All right!
There they go.
Oh, they're rolling pa naman. There's gonna be flag down sa may sabang, no? For sure, mga kaigsunan. They're just deployed here.
Alright, deployed na ang tanang
So
categories.
they're rolling off.
So those were the bikers for all the categories. Mass deployed ta.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We will see you this afternoon at the Danao City Boardwalk for the awarding on 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. for our after party. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first Danao City Grind Fest 100.
Hello, good morning. We're live.
Danao City, good morning.
Namoy bikers nga gisuportahan, ma'am. Yay! Alright, so our bikers are already on their way to the mountains and scenic views of Danao City.
Sir GSO, sir, mga yung tabang, sir, kaning tip na mag-ipa-forward na mo.
So as mentioned many times earlier, this is the first ever Danao City Grind Fest 100 here in our city, organized by the city government of Danao, of course. Thank you so much, and of course, thank you so much to all our partners as well for this event. We have Fitbar, Black Mamba, we have Boss Max 3, we have Pocari Sweat, Ramonito Durano Family Foundation Incorporated, Phil Cycling, and more. Thank you so much. Mogu Mogu, Republic Dry Dock Corporation. So to all this, to everybody who's watching, sa mga naikisuportaan ng mga bikers. So they already took off earlier. Tanang categories, 100 kilometer, 70 kilometer e-bike, and 60 kilometer. So they're already on their way to the mountains and scenic views of Danao. Hi, Biangs! Alright, so once again, thank you to all our partners and thank you to the city government of Danao for organizing the first ever Danao City Grind Fest. This is following the success of the first ever Danao City International Ultra Trail pag January. So if you can remember, last January we had our first ever International Ultra Trail. So karon we have the Danao City Grind Fest. So this just shows that Danao City really continues to cement its reputation as the biking capital of Cebu and a premier destination for adventure sports tourism here and now. So I hope to everybody who's watching, you guys will also participate next on our next, hopefully our next year, to our next Danao City Grind Fest and also International Ultra Trail. And just so you know, guys, this is for all the categories. Big prizes are awaiting for all our bikers. Ngamudagan og up to 50,000 pesos on top of the trophies and medals. So, good luck to all our bikers. And again, this is a very exciting event because this is the first ever Danao City Grind Fest here in Danao. And so everybody who's watching, shout out Shout out sa tanan who's watching. So once again, this sporting event is organized by the city government of Danao. This is emphasizing the city's commitment to promoting tourism, sports tourism. And of course, we all know that Danao City is the biking capital of Cebu. So gipakita lang yun kung unsa kagrabe mo support atong Danao for sports. Particularly the biking sports. So to everybody who's watching and join us in celebrating this first ever big adventure here in Danao City. Alright, so guys, I think we'll be ending the live, and later this afternoon we'll be having our awarding ceremony about 4 p.m. So we will be doing another live later for the awarding at 4 p.m. Alright? So watch out. So good luck again to all our riders and to all the supporters of our bikers who's watching. So good luck and congratulations in advance. Alright, so before I end the live, once again, I just want to mention our partners, show to you, our partners for this big event, for this first ever Danao City Crime Fest. So we have our partners here. We have Fitbar, Black Mamba, Boss Max 3, Pocari Sweat, Pinsol, Ramonito Donano Family Foundation Incorporated, City Sports Commission, Field Cycling, Integrated Cycling Federation of the Philippines. We have more. We have Mogo Mogo. And we have Dito. We have Dito's Telecommunities. NC Tiger Driving School. Pinsol. Pocari Sweat. Remo. Lights and Sounds. Thank you so much. So it's already sunrise. And our bikers are already on their way to the mountains and scenic views of our barangays here in Danao City. So I think that's it for today, for this morning. Sayo kay mi diri, guys. Diba, Biangs? Very early kita here. Alright, so I think we'll be ending the live. And once again, we'll see you again later this afternoon for the awarding ceremony, 4 p.m. Alright, bye! Bye-bye na, bye-bye!